Hello guys, let me tell you about a new scam currently attacking many Mac computers, and this scam comes from the website called apple.com repairing-os.live. Basically, it's a fake alert that attacks only Mac computers and Mac browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. And these pop-ups are quite scary because they tell that some virus was found and that you need to scan your Mac with some program. Basically, this is really the scam because it displays a lot of faulty and quite deceitful information. It says that your Mac is infected with 3 viruses and that you need to immediately click on scan now. And it says that there is some time remaining before damage is permanent. So users are forced to click on this scan now button, which is obviously a mistake because after this fake scanning is completed, the pop-up will tell you that you need to download some application called Advanced Mac Cleaner. And after you actually do that, you'll be forced to download and install the program called Mac Tweak Pro, which is a fake antivirus. So you may see that this is the installer of Mac Tweak Pro, which is the result of this fake alert. So you should disregard these pop-ups. You should not trust these alerts again that come from this website apple.com repairing-os.live, because these pop-ups are produced by adware in your computer. So do not trust them, disregard them, and you need to remove the adware from your Mac because your Mac is really infected with adware that produces such faulty alerts. So I recommend you to do the following. You may go to the Finder over here and go to the Applications area and try to find suspicious programs over here that might be causing such pop-ups. Try to locate the adware that might be the result of these fake alerts. If that didn't help you, if you could not find the adware manually, I recommend you to scan your Mac with reliable security software. For example, you may scan your Mac with Malwarebytes for Mac, which is, by the way, a freeware. And you may scan your Mac with a program called Combo Cleaner. I recommend you to do that, and the link to download Combo Cleaner is this: system-tips.net/download-combo-cleaner. So this will lead you to the download of Combo Cleaner application, which is a powerful antivirus that can help you to clean your Mac fully from all kinds of malware from your system. Well, if this video has been helpful, please share it, and you may find the download links at the end of this video and in the description to this video. Thank you.